Hello everyone! Today we're gonna see together how you can easily manage your invoices and payments thanks to Odoo billing. In this introduction video, we'll see how you can select your chart of accounts, how you can set your default taxes and the main currency of your company, how you can customize the invoice sequence number, and how you can easily create your first bank account. First of all, if you start from scratch with Odoo, create a new online database and install the billing application. Odoo.com is now creating your own instance. The first step consists in selecting your own chart of account. As you can see here, you can retrieve an impressive list of available chart of accounts. Feel free to select the one that applies to your country. The chart of account is a package containing national taxes, fiscal positions, book accounts, etc. A company in the system has by definition only one chart of account. If you do not retrieve any package fitting your own country, select the custom chart of account, which is a template that can be used to build up your own chart of accounts so you don't have to start from scratch. It embeds a set of generic preset accounts and taxes that are ready to use. In the second wizard, you have to select your own currency. And of course, you have the choice between a huge list of currencies, and you can also create your own one. Let's imagine this currency doesn't exist. I'm going to select the US dollar, and then you can select the default tax rate you want to apply in your system. In this first scenario, I've started from the Odoo.com website, but if you are already using Odoo, you can easily install this billing application from the apps menu here by installing online billing. This module is installed by default when you install sales applications, purchase applications, point of sale, etc. Before recording our first invoice, let's have a look at the invoicing configuration tab. In the e-invoicing and payments section, I can first define a default sale and purchase tax for my products. So here I can select the default rate I've created just before. Now all the products that will be created from my system will get those taxes as default taxes. Now I can also customize the next invoice number. As you can see here, this is by default the sequence used, but I can easily customize it. For instance, replacing SAG for sales journal by ENV for invoices. You can also add in your sequence such dynamic values like years, months, days, etc. You can retrieve a full legend in your billing booklet. And then of course you can replace the next number by the one fitting your context. Well, that's for the invoices. Now, before going further, I would like to configure my first bank account to register payments. in your company form, click Edit, and let's add a new bank account. Depending on the chart of account you are using, some preset types maybe already exist. Let's add a number, and let's associate this bank account to a bank. My bank. Let's create it on the fly. In the bank form, don't forget to enter a BIC code. As you can see, this BIC code is automatically applied to your bank account. Well, now my system is ready to use, and I can start registering my first invoices.